In case of the petitioner, is to the effect that there were two answers which the petitioner has attempted correctly. However, they are shown as incorrect answer. No,
What were those answers?
Page 78.
78.
Yes, sir. But the question was question number 89, first note.
89, yes. ઋણ મુક્ત સમાસનો વિગ્રહ કરો.
ઋણ મુક્ત સમાસનો વિગ્રહ કરો. But the answer which the petitioner attempted was ઋણથી મુક્ત. But which the answer which they gave correct is ઋણથી મુક્તિ. Lord, I have placed on record.
ઋણથી મુક્ત અને ઋણથી મુક્તિમાં એ છે.
જી. Lord, the meaning of the word would get changed. Lord, ઋણ મુક્ત અને ઋણથી મુક્તિ. And Lord, one page, Lord, it would appeal to the honorable court, Lord. Page 1.
And which is another question?
122. તો સાહેબ આ એક સાચો પડે તો ભાઈ
આપણે બીજો કયો છે જોઈએ તો
પેજ 77 આગળનું પેજ સાહેબ
77.
77.
And what is important is next question. આનાથી શું એ લોકો એ કરે છે? Question number 90.
જી
What they are
જી
by these such kind of questions? Yes, 77.
ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 22. એક તસવીર તરફ ઇશારો કરીને શુભાંગી સ્ત્રી કહે છે કે તસવીરમાં દેખાતી મહિલા તેના પિતા એટલે શુભાંગીના પિતાની પત્નીની એકમાત્ર પુત્રી છે. તસવીરમાં દેખાતી મહિલાનો શુભાંગી સાથે શું સંબંધ થાય?
શુભાંગી પોતે.
એ જ આપ્યું છે સર મેં આન્સર. ઓપ્શન ચોઝન ઇઝ 3, શુભાંગી પોતે. But according to them, Lord, none of the answer is correct. There was a discrepancy. Therefore, Lord, this question
એક તસવીર તરફ ઇશારો કરીને કહે છે કે તસવીરમાં દેખાતી મહિલા તેના પિતાની પત્ની એટલે એની મધર એકમાત્ર પુત્રી એટલે એ પોતે. આ કોણ આ બધા આ આન્સર ને ખોટો આપે છે?
As far as this is my notes would be correct. This is the same paper where TCS had
સવાલ પેપરનો નથી. આ બધું આટલું સુપર ઇન્ટેલેક્ચ્યુઅલ વ્યક્તિ કોણ છે જે આ બધી વસ્તુને
This arises out of the same question where my notes had passed a detailed order where TCS had there was an error by TCS.
So I was right prima facie in saying that such companies are required to be blacklisted.
Yes, but
which
now,
doesn't know even that what should be the correct answer.
So as far as the question and the answer is concerned, that is for the TCS to deal with. But so far as the petitioner coming here at this stage, so my notes had
Forget about stage. What about your 30 કરોડ રૂપિયા તમે ચૂકવ્યા પછી જો આ પ્રકારના સવાલોના જવાબો પ્રોપર ન આવડતા હોય કંપનીને?
Sir, that
Ask Mr. Devnanu to be here. Last time also he appeared.
122 में kindly with me. Page 122.
but I'm simply
You are playing with career of students.
I'm on a different aspect, my notes.
Forget about different aspects. See, who are they? These are the educated unemployed people. And these companies consider that they are at their mercy. Did you read the newspaper report afterwards? How the company had treated these students? કોઈને પીવાના પાણીની વ્યવસ્થા નહોતી. They were treated as if companies obliging them after charging 30 crore rupees.
Apprising the honorable court that after that order was passed, this pertains to the preliminary examination stage, which is now over. Thereafter, the mains exams have also been taken up.
Question is,
Then the result was
why are you permitting companies to take such kind of liberty?
that is, we are not defending the
Then ask the company to be here. And what action do you propose to take against such companies, which is absolutely not serious in taking the examination? Oh, Mr. Devnani Nave.
But so far as the examination
And state also I am issuing certain direction and making observation. Why are you continuing with such kind of company merely because it is having a big name?
exam.
Upon same examination, I understand if there is one mistake.
Subsequent to that, there is no new development.
And they are saying એ પણ ગુજરાતીમાં જ હતી ને, સ્નિગ્ધ એટલે પેલું સ્નિગ્ધ પ્રશ્નનું હતું. Now then what kind of experts they are hiring after charging 30 crore rupees? They are just interested in ensuring that their balance sheet becomes more rosy and their share prices only gets increased.
Certainly, we have also taken. But so So far as
Blacklist this kind of company. Don't give any work to this kind of companies, which is not serious in performing their duty.
As far as Group B is concerned, not even the dates of the examination are yet not declared.
તો એવું થોડું હોય કે જેટલી ભૂલો પોઈન્ટ આઉટ થાય એટલી જ તમે સુધારો. Is it not your duty as a state to intimate the company that all these mistakes are required to be rectified, or the students are required to be given the pro rata marks, or cancel that question and give marks to everyone who has attempted the question? Then they come before the court, and as if they are showing grace, they say that we will not charge anything for preparing the result, but what about the mistakes they have committed and played with the lives of the students or the job seekers? And why are you tolerating such kind of mistakes as state? Don't pay anything to this kind of companies if they are not serious in performing their task. Ask Mr. Devnani to be here. I understand mistake can be in respect of one question. One mistake was there in that petition. Two more mistakes are pointed out by Mr. Vyas today.
There are many more.
Then for what purpose contracts are being given to that kind of companies, which is not at all serious about performing their task? Upon question is that once you know about the poor performance of the company, why are you not taking any action against this company? Ultimately, company is not concerned with its reputation, but at least as a state authority, you should be conscious about your reputation. કંપનીને તો પૈસા કમાવા સિવાય કોઈ વસ્તુમાં રસ નથી લાગતો. For them, it's only a professional task. But you are dealing with the career of these kind of people.
so far as these questions are concerned,
And I tell you, the company must not have engaged any expert, પણ જે પેલા તૈયાર ક્વેશ્ચન બેંક મળતી હોય માર્કેટમાં, એમાંથી 5-10 ક્વેશ્ચન ઉપાડીને પેપર બનાવી દીધું હશે. Which even any of your class 2 officer or even lower officer than that also could have done. Or I am issuing notice returnable on Tuesday, 10th December 2024. Learned AGP waives the service of notice on behalf of respond number 1 and 2 direct service for. Have you joined that company?
Yes, I have joined, but direct service through RPAD or by mail may be permitted.
No, તમે let Mr. Devnani say no for receiving the copy.
Please.
Direct service for number 3.
It is the office is situated at Mars. I will send the copy. I will give an advance copy also.
In addition to note direct service to respond number 3 to RPAD and email.
Please, I am okay.
And on